In this video, I will show you how to use the copy trading feature on the platform Deepcoin. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Deepcoin, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the first link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. Then you will automatically participate in the best campaigns that are currently available. They can change over time. I can show you some examples here where you're able to get certain bonuses after depositing some funds, as well as some payback programs where you could also get an additional $100 bonus after a deposit. Or here is another one where you could get up to $500. So if you sign up with a link from the description, you will automatically be eligible for the best bonuses. And to create your account, simply enter your email address right here and set a password, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log on for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And the first thing I want to show you is how you can deposit money. So first, how you can deposit crypto. You simply go up here, click on deposit. Then up here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. So you can see there's many of them. You can also search for one specifically. Then you're going to choose a network. Just make sure that you're using the same network as for the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money from to here. In my case, I'm going to use the Tron network. And then down here, you will be presented with your personal deposit address, which you can then copy to your clipboard right here and send the money here to your account. It only usually takes a few minutes for the money to arrive. If you don't have any crypto yet, or you want to deposit with your fiat money directly, so euro, US dollars, British pound, whichever fiat currency you own. Unfortunately, there's no direct option on Deepcoin to do that. However, I have a separate tutorial on my channel. If you just search for fiat deposit Deepcoin, you will find the other video where I explain you step by step how you can buy some crypto on another exchange and then simply send the crypto from that here to Deepcoin. That's a very simple method. Once you've made any deposit, you can simply check that by going here to your wallet overview. So once we have money deposited into our account right here, we can now use it to copy trade with it. And to get there, we simply go up here to copy trading. Here we get an overview of all these different traders that we can follow. I'm simply going to browse for one and simply choose this one, for example, right here. You can see many statistics about the trader, such as the history, how many trades he's done so far, his volume, his profits, his daily profits, and much more, his open positions, his history, and all of that. So you can easily read through all of that and browse his statistics. If you found one that you want to follow, you can simply go up here and click on forward copy. You can also see down here the profit ratio. So 12% of the profits that we will make with this trader will go to the trader and the rest will be our own profits. In here, make sure that you have some available funds. So you can choose between these accounts. For example, I still have it in another account, so I can just transfer it from my USDT perpetual account to my funding account, for example. Click on all, and then I will also be able to see it available in here. And I'm simply going to use $100 to follow this trader. Agree to the terms, and then if I just click on confirm right here, I'm now following the trader. If I go to view following details, I can also see again, this is the trader that I'm currently following with $100. And if I expand the details, I would also see open positions. If the trader opens trades, I can see the history. So everything that I need to know, I can control in here. And of course, I can also follow multiple traders in here with different amounts and then see which one of them is performing the best. If you want to adjust any of your values, you can just go in here and adjust the balance. So take some money out, put some more in. Also adjust some other settings that we were able to set up at the beginning. And if you want to just unfollow the trader completely, you can just click on stop copy trading, confirm stop, and then you're also out of the copy trading again. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonuses possible by creating an account on Deepcoin with the first link down from the video description. And as always, if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.